Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset VIVO X200 FE. Okay, so let's begin. First I will tell you that we have two methods for reset, and let me show you both of them. So the first method is the most common one, and it's simply through the settings. When it comes to the second one, it's through the recovery mode. I'll show you both of them. So when it comes to the reset through the settings, it's recommended when we have access to the device, and when it works normally, and when everything is fine. And now simply click on the settings. Now scroll down into the bottom until you find System Management. Now find Reset Options, and on the bottom we have Factory Reset option, Erase All Data. And that's the thing that we are interested in the most, but besides, we can also reset Wi-Fi, mobile network and Bluetooth settings, reset app preferences, and reset all settings. So to do it, simply click on that and then click on Reset. But we are interested in that last option, Factory Reset. In here you have a list of things that will be deleted. But for example, you can always restore that data in the future if you have a backup that you have created before, of course. If you don't know how to create such a backup, on our channel there's a video when I'm showing you how to do it step by step, so if you want to, you can look for it. Okay, and now simply click on this blue button on the bottom, erase all data. If you do everything properly, your device will be turned off, then turned on again automatically, and the next thing you need to do is to simply set up your device. So that was the first method. I'm not going to show you that because I want to show the reset through the recovery mode. So yeah, first let's power off our device. Let's tap the power button and volume up button to launch the power menu. And now let's click on power off. Okay, and now to get access into the recovery mode, we need to use the two button combination. We need to hold the power button and volume up button when the device is turned off. So let me show you that. Let's hold both of those buttons. Okay, and now first we are in the fastboot mode. Now we need to click on recovery mode. Sorry, we need to use volume keys. So we use volume keys to move around this menu. Now click on power button to confirm. Now we need to wait a few seconds. Okay, we have our VIVO logo on the screen right now. And now we are in the recovery mode. And now, to reset the device, click on the clear data. Now, clear all data. Now, in here, you might not see it because it's too bright and I cannot change the brightness in the recovery mode. In here on the right side, we have the OK button. Simply click on that. Now the process has started, so let's wait until it's finished. It shouldn't take long, so don't worry. Okay, all data cleared. We can click on return. Let's go back. And now click on restart. Click on OK, again on the right side. And just like in the previous method, all we need to do now is to wait until our device is turned on. And the next thing we need to do is to set up our device. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.